should have happened already.
Well, thank you all so much for having us on and also focusing on this very severe both health and economic crisis that we're all facing in this region. I think the governor has shown very good leadership, but I also believe we need to be bolder and swifter in the actions that we are taking. We are seeing an unprecedented healthcare pandemic with COVID-19, but also concomitant with that is an economic crisis that is being faced by our families, our small business owners, and our employees. So we've got to flatten the curve when it comes to the spread of this virus, but we've also got to flatten the economic anxiety that our communities are experiencing. It is very acute, and I'm hearing from people all around the Commonwealth of Virginia. All 8.5 million Virginians are really on edge about what we need to do to make sure that we are surviving economically, even as we deal with this very serious health crisis. So we have said that we need to join Maryland and the District of Columbia in closing down our bars and restaurants and theaters and gyms for a specified period of time, while allowing restaurants to still do carry-out and delivery services. We want to, again, flatten the curve, stop the spread of the virus. We also want to make sure, though, that as we are mandating these actions, we are allowing people to have economic solvency and security, that when employers need to have cash flow in reserves or have a state fund that will allow them to tap resources that are either grants or low or no interest loans that get them through a 90 or 120-day period or perhaps longer, to deal with mortgage lenders to say that we need to explore ways that people may not need to pay their mortgage for 3 or 4 months or more, so that if they are forced to not be able to work by some of the actions that we are requiring to deal with the health crisis, that we're not then putting them in an untenable economic situation. So this is about small businesses and families who are on the front lines of both of these crises, and so we have got to act boldly and swiftly in this moment.